Here's a really cool gift box from David's Cookies. Let's unpack it. I already took the wrapping off, so let's see how much is in this actual box and then talk about the quality. I'm back to show you the nice tin that it comes in, which will keep them nice and fresh while you're enjoying them after the fact. Looks like a nice little storage tin. So my personal favorite are oatmeal raisin cookies created by the beautiful Miss Nicole, but if I tell you, once a year is about the most I could get her to cook for me. So in the absence of that, this is heaven, right? This is from David's Cookies. There are a whole pile. It's a wide selection of cookies. You have everything from chocolate chip, peanut butter, double chocolate. I feel like there was a snickerdoodle somewhere, but I'm not seeing it. So in the brownie collection here, which I have had a couple of these, they are ridiculously amazing. We have blondies, brownies with chocolate chips, brownies with M&Ms, and underneath here, I found them. They look amazing. I'm gonna get into this next. Brownies with walnuts. I think we should bust into the brownie with walnuts now. Oh, that is so good. I would say it's better than my wife's, but then I get in trouble. Can't go wrong with this. And obviously, the classic chocolate chip cookie. Best of both worlds in one box. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.